Turn Pandas Multi-Index into column. I have a data frame with 2 index levels. Which I want to turn into this. How can I best do this? I need this because I want to aggregate the data as instructed here, but I can't select my columns like that if they are in use as indices.
The reset_index is a Pandas dataframe method that will transfer index values into the dataframe as columns. The default setting for the parameter is drop equals false, which will keep the index values as columns. All you have to do call .reset_index after the name of the dataframe.
This doesn't really apply to your case but could be helpful for others, like myself 5 minutes ago, to know if one's multi-index have the same name like this. df.reset_index in place equals true will fail, cause the columns that are created cannot have the same names. So then you need to rename the multi-index with df.index equals df.index.set_names trial measurement to get. And then df.reset_index in place equals true will work like a charm. I encountered this problem after grouping by year and month on a datetime column not indexed, called live_date, which meant that both year and month were named live_date.
There may be situations when df.reset_index cannot be used, for example, when you need the index, too. In this case, use index.get_level_values to access index values directly. This will assign index values to individual columns and keep the index. See the docs for further info.
As at CS95 mentioned in a comment, to drop only one level, use df.reset_index level equals ... This avoids having to redefine your desired index after reset.
Ele vai 0 presta com execução de